Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of December. And first of all, national news. Police custody of four parliament security breach accused extended by 15 days. Army truck ambushed by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. Threat to democracy, MP demanded regulator for social media platforms to check deep fakes. Victory of truth over lies. Brij Bhushan aid on wrestling body polls. 10 black tigers found in India. All in Odisha's Similipal Reserve Centre. Three more opposition MPs suspended from Lok Sabha, total now 146. Parliament passed telecommunications bill to replace British era laws. Delhi court extended custody of Parliament breach accused till January 5. Big change in Parliament security after breach. CISF replaced Delhi police. New COVID variant drive surge in cases, symptoms to look out for. Navy a step closer to getting its own Rafales. France sent detailed bid. Bill to appoint top 3 poll officers passed in Lok Sabha cleared Parliament. And now some international news. Israel ordered more Gaza evacuations as envoys seek truce. We depended our partnership with India through Quad, US Secretary of State Blinken. Pak court rejected Imran Khan's appeal against conviction, lawyer said. No hospital is functioning in northern Gaza now, WHO said. India sent humanitarian assistance for the people of Papua New Guinea. India's permanent representative to UN reiterated country's unwavering commitment to people of Afghanistan. UNSC delayed vote on resolution calling for more humanitarian aid into Gaza Strip. And now some sports news. Brij Bhushan loyalist Sanjay Singh became new Wrestling Federation of India president. Sakshi Malik quit wrestling after Brij Bhushan loyalist Sanjay Singh became WFI chief. Usman Khwaja charged by ICC for Black Armband Act following Palestine message raw. In men's cricket, India to face host South Africa in series decider, third and final ODI in PAL. Business-related news. Competition Commission of India has selected Anshuman Patnaik as the new head of its investigations unit. Titagarh Rail Systems appointed Anil Agarwal as Deputy MD and CEO of Freight Rail Systems. Indian Gas Exchange planned to soon launch small-scale LNG trading awaited PNGRB node. LRS outflows dropped by 37.68% in October after higher tax levy. RBI bulletin objective of aligning inflation with 4% target far from assured. And that's all in news. Thank you.